it's going to be in our Spring Flowers virtual class kit. Can't wait. We're diving in. Okay, so we're going to do a couple different techniques. I told you guys last time you got a sneak, not a sneak peek, but a sneak listen anyways. I told you that we were going to do some foam flowers. So Sarah's just posted the link to order the kit in the chat box. So if you want it, grab it because they're already going quick. But again, I'm giving you guys a head start by showing you today. So we've got some gorgeous colors of foam that's going to be included. I told you we're going to do some foam flowers. So I have some nice spring flower foam in this kit. Then, of course, we've got the die to cut those petals out. The petals and the leaves, we're going to do some foam work in our classes. So make sure you register for the classes, just like you registered for this one on Eventbrite. Sarah just posted the link. So we've got the die to cut out all the petals to make the 3D foam flowers. So die, I'll show you the other die that's in the kit. Here it is, a nice mandala type die. We're going to do a lot of fun stuff with it. I can't wait. So make sure you have a die cutting machine. If you're ordering this kit, you do need the die cutting machine for this one. I mean, you could still make the foam flowers with just a pair of scissors and you'd have to cut out each petal, but you're going to want the die cut and emboss machine. Sarah just posted the coupon code. It's already $100 off. You're already getting free shipping. It comes with the 2 embossing folders and the 30 die cuts. I'm going to grab it. This is the Go Powered Emboss machine. So it has power button, run, oops, where am I? Power button, run, and reverse. There's not a whole bunch of technology to it. It's straightforward. You place your plates. It comes with all the plates you need. It comes with a rubber mat for embossing from your dies. It comes with the metal cut sheet if you have a die that's being stubborn and needs a little extra oomph. It's self-adjusting, so you're not having to adjust and place shims in and all kinds of stuff. It does everything for you. You're not tiring out your arm from cranking. Power, fully electric. Your plates run through beautifully. You can tell mine is well used, well loved. I've been using it for all of my projects. Okay, so get the coupon code that's in the chat box if you want it for an extra $25 off. If you're watching live, you get the coupon code. Okay, I want you guys to be prepared for class come April. What else? We've got a little foam chunk for building our foam flowers, for shaping those petals. We're going to do some really fun stuff, guys. I'm including a beautiful purpley pinky, oh, the light's not picking it up very well, purpley pinky ink for coloring our foam flower petals and adding all kinds of color to our cards. I'm so excited. Okay, we've got some nice pearls instead of the gems in the Easter card. We're doing some nice classic pearls. We're doing, it's going to be a surprise what color you get, but it's going to be the little flower pearls. We're going to do a fun shaker card with some of the flower pearls. We've got the little bundle of stamen that are going to go in the center of our foam flowers. It's not going to be difficult, Nuri. Don't worry, you're going to be able to handle it. I promise. Okay. We're going to walk through it step by step. Sticky specs. Let me look into it. I know I've really sold them for you guys. I'll see if we can probably throw a sheet of sticky specs in there for you guys to try out if you haven't already used them. Okay, so we've got a beautiful selection. This is the Craft Consortium papers. And it's double-sided. Like, these papers are to die for. Double-sided watercolors on the back. We've got pinks, blues, greens, yeah, reds, oranges. Oh my goodness. And then on the front, is this gorgeous spring flower print. The Craft Consortium papers are beautiful. This is from a little 6x6 pad. Look at these, like some nice ditzy prints, greenery, some gorgeous ferns, some larger blooms. So nice. I'm so excited about these papers. I can't wait to show you the cards that we're going to be making. Not today, not yet. But just know they're going to be good. We've got some verse stickers that we're going to put inside of the cards that we can do with that. Building some more. I already used the one from this one. Building some more 3D toppers. We got some lovely spring flower ones in there. And then we've got, you're going to get a 3D relief sticker, a spring flower 3D relief sticker. We've got a variety going out, so that's going to be a surprise too for which one you get. I can't wait. Oh, and then of course we've got our wrapped flower wire that we're going to use for the little foam flowers that we're going to make the stems on there. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I hope you guys can join us. The classes, what are the dates? They're going to be April 9th and 16th. So hop on, get the kit. You guys get a sneak peek of it before I release the kit contents, before Sarah gets it up on the website for everyone. I wanted to give you guys the weekend for a head start. So get in there.